Spoil 5, How to Play. The object of this 2 to 10 player card game is to win 3 or more tricks in a round. Give each player an equal amount of betting chips. Pick a dealer who shuffles a standard 52 card deck of playing cards and deals 5 cards to each player. Players look at their own cards but keep them hidden from their opponents. The dealer places the remainder of the deck face down on the table and flips the top card face up on top of it. This card indicates which suit is trump for the round. The card rankings, as confusing as it is, are as follows. The Ace of Hearts is always the third best card. When a suit is trump, the ranking is as follows from high to low. For spades and clubs, 5, Jack, Ace of Hearts, Ace, King, Queen, 2, up through 10. Diamonds and hearts, 5, Jack, Ace of Hearts, Ace, down to 2. When a suit is not trump, the ranking is as follows. The Ace of Hearts is always the third best card, spades and clubs. King, Queen, Jack, Ace, 2, up to 10. Diamonds, King down to Ace. Hearts, King down to 2. At the start of each round, each player antes 1 chip to the middle. Play begins with the player left of the dealer, then proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you play 1 card from your hand to the middle. You must follow suit if you can. Once everyone has played 1 card, the player who played the highest rank of the suit led, or a trump, takes the trick and collects the cards face down beside them. The winner of the trick leads the next trick. Once a player has won 3 tricks in a round, that round ends and that player gets all of the betting chips from the middle. The roll of dealer rotates clockwise by 1 and a new round is played like before. But if no player wins 3 or more tricks in a round, then the chips in the middle are not collected, but instead carry over to the next round. The roll of dealer rotates clockwise by 1 and a new round is played like before. However, for this next round, only the dealer adds a chip to the middle. If after the deal a player has the ace of trump, they may exchange any card in their hand for the top card in the deck. If they refuse to do so, they must announce that they are turning down the trump. If an ace is initially flipped over when establishing trump, the dealer may choose to take it after the first trick in exchange for any of their cards. Exchanging cards in this way does not change the trump for the hand. If you run out of chips, you are out of the game. Play for a specific time or until one player has all the chips. Then that player is the winner. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Check out playingcarddecks.com for an awesome variety of playing cards. Be sure to use my promo code TSG for 10% off your entire order.